Good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Well, it's probably not morning where you all are that's watching this, but hey, it's morning for me. I'm on my way to go and get my classroom all organized and together. Like I shared with you guys before, I moved classrooms. I'm getting ready to go and get that all situated. I'm going to be taking my niece with me. I was trying to call my other niece and my nephew as well so that they can help me. You know, you have to get the family involved. But they're not picking up, so it's just going to be me and my niece. But yeah, we're going to be on our way. It's about 49 minutes away. So I was like, this morning, I'm not going to put on no makeup. I'm just going to go because we are going to work. Okay, we're going to work and get things done. So I hope you guys are having a good day and let's get started. All right, you guys, so I'm finally in my new classroom that I need to get organized. You see my niece, she's right there, she's here. But everything is in this corner jammed up, as y'all can see. Okay, so we're going to have to go in here, attack this area, all the clothes. I know that they're supposed to be moving these computers, so those computers won't be in here. But this is what it looks like. So y'all can see. It's actually smaller than the room that I was in. Let me look in here. Okay. So this is what it looks like in here. Just a small little closet. Yeah, and I think they left. Well, I guess they meant to leave that. All right. So we are going to get. All right, you guys, so I'm trying to figure out how I want this room set up because now that I'm moving stuff around, I'm like, wait a minute. I have my Corinthian board right here. And so at first I was going to have the tables like this. Ooh, there we go, like that. And then one opposite so it can face the board. But then I was like, wait a minute, my Corinthian board is right here. So I probably need to have them like how this table is right here, facing towards the board. So I don't know, you guys. I am getting confused of how I want to set this room up, but we're going to just do a trial and error, all right? We're going to do a trial and error and see what happens. So this is how far I've gotten into this little cubby hole, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to get my refrigerator because I'm going to put that by the sink. But as you can see, I have a lot more things I need to be getting done in this area. This is what it's looking like. Whew, y'all. Okay. Let's see, what do I need to get? I'm gonna go ahead and get let me get this. I'm going to show you guys my niece's beautiful work she has going on here. She actually wrote on the board what I like to keep on my board whenever the kids come in. We do warm-ups. So didn't she do a good job, you guys? Good job, Des. Clap back, copycat, yoga, stretch, exercise. Simon Says, dance, talk it out, and free draw. All right, so let me show y'all what it's looking like right now. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't think we hardly is getting anywhere. No. But hey, sometimes you got to kind of mess it up in order to get your vision across, okay? All right, so at least I have this area cleaned out. I think what I'm going to do is organize, because as you guys can see, I have like all my drawing stuff up here. I think I'm going to organize my room in a way where like I'm going to keep my games in this area. I'm going to keep my drawing things in this area. But y'all, it's just too much. I don't know. It's too much work. If I undo this, wait,
So if you undo this.
so, and if I had like, let's just say I didn't want the flat out, I want to make it like a feelings thing, like a feelings barometer. So I could be like, okay, kids, today, how do you feel? I feel. Oh, here we go.
Oh, they can move it around. Like
Yes.
I feel.
Surprise.
That's perfect.
That's all you, Des. You didn't even know it.
I did it. That's gonna be really
Or
fun.
be like, okay,
I
we're gonna
feel.
talk about proud today. All right, you guys, so I have been hunting for a stapler and I found it, y'all. So I'm thinking about, I'm going to put all of these little cards that you see laying on this shelf or cubby, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to staple all of those to that board. I was going to put color on there, but I don't know if I'm going to put color on that board. I think I just might staple these and let that be the color. I don't know. But I have the stapler, so we're going to get that started. Pop y'all up here. So as y'all can see, I put it up there. This part actually ran a little bit over the board, so I don't know, but I might put something down at the bottom. Y'all, I'm just trying to get my thoughts together. We're gonna have to do something, right? So that is done. I'm happy I have this stapler. So I'm gonna get ready to work on my desk area and get that all situated how I want to get that set up. All right, you guys, so I finally have this cabinet moved. Now I'm getting ready to probably move some more things back here. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of pick up this thing. I need a break. Y'all seen I was moving that thing. I need a break. So even though this is like a small area kind of like set up for me, which all of this is not going to be here. I'm actually going to be placing like my tower whenever they bring my computer and stuff in. I'm going to be placing my tower underneath my my desk. So it's going to be a lot cleaner up there. But I like it better set up like this. And then let me roll my chair. So this is how it's going to be, like this. So I don't need like a big, huge area. And if I need to push my desk out, I can. But I don't need like a big, huge area. So I think this is going to work. Hey, you guys. So I want to say that I have gotten somewhere. But y'all, let me tell you, I don't think so. But, all right, you guys. So I actually cleaned out this area. And I'm actually going to make this area the area where I have like the clothes and the shoes. I think that's going to be best. So I'm going to do that. So I still have to move these boxes and bins and put in, empty those out. But I'm going to allow this closet to actually be where I'm going to hold the school store. So as you guys know, it was on the cart last year. This year I'm going to have it in my classroom because I'm actually going to be teaching classes. But like I said before, it won't be as frequent as it was last year. So that's a good thing. But I'm going to continue to kind of just get things straightened up. And this is going to be more than a one-day trip. This is going to be a couple of days. I wish we didn't have these computers in here, because that's kind of stopping things. And then there's some other things that's here still, and I can't really move around and do it like I want to, but just wanted to show you guys that. All right, you guys, so if I did not finish nothing else, I at least finished this. All right, I have the clothes all put up. There's some jackets that's in this trash bag. I'm really gonna have to go through that and just try to get everything organized. But as you guys can see, this area is not that big, but I figured that this would be the perfect area to put, you know, the clothes and the shoes and the socks and all of that stuff. So this is just what it's looking like, y'all. I'm going to get a little bit more organized here, but I just kind of wanted to get everything off the floor that was in the classroom. So at some point, I'll probably come through here and organize everything.